The clash between public safety and animal rights is once again at the center of national attention. The Supreme Court's latest orders on India's stray dog crisis has reignited the big debate on the streets. India Today accessed the top court's full order, which has ordered authorities to build 5,000 dog shelters within 8 weeks, clear localities of stray dogs, and ensure children and the elderly are protected, while making it clear there must be no cruelty or mistreatment at the shelters as well. The matter will now be taken up by a larger three-judge bench headed by Justice Vikram Nath after being referred by the Chief Justice himself, with none of the original order's judges part of the new bench. Now, outside court, animal lovers are up in arms demanding that government bodies be pulled up for failing sterilization drives, relocation be halted until proper facilities are ready.
ये तो बहुत ही हम लोग होपफुल हैं क्योंकि ये वाला ऑर्डर तो इतना खराब और इसमें पिछले 2 दिन से इतना बवाल मचा है। औरतों को मारा गया, पुलिस वाले निकल रहे हैं, वायलेंस तमाशा हो रहा है, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस हो रहे हैं, क्या फ़ायदा। हर मीडिया ने क्वेश्चन किया कि ये क्यों हुआ और इसका उपाय क्या है, क्योंकि वो ऑर्डर इतना रबिश था कि वो सब लोग जानते कि हो नहीं सकता। तो अब अगर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया ने इसको फिर से देखना है तो हमारी उनसे हार्दिक इच्छा है कि वो सब तरफों को सुन करके जो सेटल लॉ है उसको देख करके तब वो ठीक करें।
आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट पीपल लाइक जॉनी इब्राहिम और बाकी लोग भी इस बात पे जुट गए। अब कोर्ट ये तय करेगी तो कोर्ट हमें वादा भी करेंगे और गारंटी भी देंगे कि बंदर नहीं घूमेंगे। कुत्तों के वजह से बंदर काबू में रहते हैं। ये कुत्ते सड़क पे घूमते हैं तो वो चूहा पकड़ते हैं, घूस पकड़ते हैं। एक इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस होती है समाज में, बिना जाने पहचाने बस ये लेके लटक गए हैं।
ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, लेकिन ये क्या विषय सुओ मोटो लेने जैसा था मुझे पता नहीं। इतना बड़ा विषय तो सिविक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का विषय है। जब जो लोकल संस्था होती है, फिर वो सरकार हो या फिर महापालिका हो, वो फेल होती है तब सुओ मोटो लिया जाता है। दूसरी बात है कि वैसे स्ट्रे डॉग्स के पीछे पड़ना ये ऐसे G20 के दौरान भी हुआ था, मुझे लगता है ठीक नहीं है। लेकिन ये भी शायद हो कि इतना बड़ा विषय था क्या कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसको ले, ये सोचना जरूरी है।
में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ये जो फैसला है ये जल्दबाजी में लिया गया है। समस्या को ये कैसे हल करेंगे? उठा के कुत्तों को कहाँ ले जाएंगे? कुत्ते बीमार होते हैं, किसी को रेबीज भी हो सकती है, खुजली भी हो सकती है। आपके पास डॉग पॉन्ड नहीं है, अभी उनके खाने पीने का इंतज़ाम नहीं है। तो एक समस्या को हल करने के लिए दूसरी बड़ी समस्या आप खड़ी कर दें, ये तो उचित नहीं है। मेरी राय में सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अपना फैसला रिवाइज करना चाहिए।
I wish the safety and sanctity of life was at the heart of the judgment. I wish a more nuanced and calibrated approach had been taken towards the systemic flaws which are at the root of the so-called dog menace. In silencing those who cannot protect themselves, we risk losing something essential within ourselves.
Anisha Mathur joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Anisha, before we get into what awaits today, I also want to understand at this given point, there have been lapses and negligences that have been pointed out in terms of how the stray dogs have been treated in the terms of sterilization drives and the lack of it, which has also led to the current situation in the first place.
Well, yes, if you look at how the ABC rules, that is the animal birth control rules, are being implemented, we've been reporting on this, we've been speaking to activists and even officials about this. There are only 20 shelters, the ABC centers in Delhi, which means that there are only 20 centers where dogs can be taken and sterilized so far. Now remember, this is something that has been an issue before the court for a very long time. The ABC rules implementation has been before the court earlier. In fact, in July July also, a bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta had taken up this issue of why ABC rules are not being implemented. In 2024 also, there was a petition that had sought implementation of ABC rules. Nothing seems to have changed very much. And now today, the three-judge bench that is supposed to take up this matter consists of Justice Vikram Nath, Justice Sandeep Mehta and Justice N.V. Anjaria. Now, Justice Nath and Mehta have taken up this matter 2 months ago, where they had said that ABC rules are not being followed, but at the same time they had said that dog feeding cannot be done anywhere and everywhere, that protection of street dogs is warranted, but at the same time authorities have to bear in mind the concerns of the common man. That is the observation that they had given in July. Today, this three-judge bench will look into balancing that order, balancing the 2024 order for implementation of ABC rules, and balancing the order passed by a different bench of Justices Pardiwala and Mahadevan on Monday, where they have said that, well, you have to set up shelters within 8 weeks, you have to pick up dogs and put them there. And what is the most controversial part of this particular order of the Monday bench is that they have said that these dogs cannot be returned to where they live. They have to be kept in these shelters. The pounds have to be created for this task. Now, how exactly the court is going to balance this, we'll have to see, because the ABC rules are very clear that dogs have to be picked up, sterilized, vaccinated, and then put back where they belong, the neighborhoods that they live in, because they are territorial animals. The court, if you look at the Monday order also, Shreya, and I'm quoting from it, in fact, the Monday order has also clearly said that there should be no cruelty to the animals, that the authorities, and I'm quoting here, directed to immediately create dog shelters / pounds and report to this court on the creation of this such infrastructure. In no circumstances should these stray dogs, after their relocation, be once again released back into the streets. Proper records must be maintained. And even the Monday bench has noted that the exercise of rounding up of the stray dogs and creation of necessary infrastructure shall be taken simultaneously. We do not want to hear about lethargy. So now we are seeing that all these benches over the last year have taken note of the lethargy, of the lack of infrastructure, and how this entire aspect is going to be managed, we'll have to wait and see today. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, thank you for bringing us all those details with regards to how the situation has indeed come up to this and what we await, in fact, today itself, as the case is yet again to be taken up by a three-judge bench.